won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
What is good, everybody? It's your boy from Everyday Trippin', and thank you for joining me in another video today. Today we have another unboxing, as you can see, and this is gonna be one of my favorite unboxings I've done for a shoe that I've wanted for quite a while. So let's get into it. Wow. This shoe is so clean. Super fresh. We have the hologram right here, as you can see. It's a little foggy, I'm not to defog it, but I can see it has the Jordan Jumpman logo, as well as a 23 in green. It does have this plastic over it. We're gonna have to take that off. And we have this sway mid right here. Super good material right here. Super good suede. And then we have this mesh upper. It has the white dots in it. From a distance, it does look a little reflective. The further away you get from the shoe, the more you can tell. We also have this little Jordan tag right here. The shoe is super clean. And for the Jordan 13 as well. For the toe right here, it's supposed to mimic the paw of a Black Panther, which I think is really cool. The Black Panther movie is coming out pretty soon. I will definitely be watching that on release day. Might even wear these to release day. RIP to Chadwick Boseman. Legend. But back to the shoe here. Super clean. You got a shoe tree in there. Nothing special on the inside. Right here in this box is the Chris Paul Jordan 13 Special Edition PE. Now there's two colorways to this shoe. There's a white and blue, and there's also a black, blue, and yellow. So let's get her open and see what we got here. Here is the box, nothing special here, typical Jordan box. But for the shoe, bang. This shoe came out 7 years ago. I'm just now getting my hands on it. Super clean Jordan 13. This is my first pair of 13s. And instead of that Jordan branding you typically get on the tongue here, it's gonna say CP for Chris Paul, my favorite NBA player, CP3. He's on the Suns as of now. He was my favorite on the Clippers because I do live in the LA area. But most people love him for the Hornets, Chris Paul. Nothing special with the box here. It is a little dusty and does have a little bit of creasing on it, but the shoe is 7 years old. So this is about what I expected. Nothing special for the box. I got a 10.5. I normally go with an 11, but the 10.5 actually fits me perfectly. I'm glad about that. I got this on StockX. As you can see here, I got the StockX tag. Not a fan of it. It's definitely coming off because it does ruin the shoe, but for some people, they like to keep it on for whatever reason. Not hating on you, do your thing, but for me, it's just not my style. And real quick before we continue, I would just like to add to this video that I did buy these shoes at the beginning of the year. I just haven't got around to doing the unboxing until now. But these are 100% authentic and verified. I don't know if you know everything going on with StockX anymore, but as of November 2022, not everything is authentic and verified from StockX. Therefore, for my online shopping, I will be going to GOAT. Just like to throw that in the video. Let's continue. And make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new, and check out other unboxings and other videos on my channel. Thank you. I'm a big fan of Chris Paul, and I'm super excited that I got my shoes. I was watching that new series on Netflix, The Avenged Team, about Kobe, LeBron, Wade, Chris Paul, and them leading the U.S. basketball team to get a championship after their failed attempts the previous Olympics. And it was cool to see him in that light with Kobe, LeBron, and Wade back in that time. And I'm just super stoked to get my shoes, man. The suede material is super premium, super good. And for this stuff over here, I did an unboxing a couple weeks ago. Go check it out on my channel. I got some shirts, some socks, typical Nike stuff. And that pretty much wraps it up for me in today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe. And if you know anyone who's interested in shoes like this, definitely share that video with them. And I thank you again. That's gonna be it for me today. I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.
So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You